TwinFlame has everything you need to help you be your best you. So, let's start the first and most important step, setting up your TwinFlame profile. Choose your username, and choose wisely, it can't really be changed later, and password. No worries, logging in won't take this long the next times you do so, especially if you like to use Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing out your passwords every time. After verifying your email and setting up your username and password, you'll be at the home screen. Swiping from the left here is the jelly menu. This will have everything you need as you use the app, from astrology to psychology to other fun stuff to the main settings, which we'll be heading to first, since this is your first time. To get the most from TwinFlame, you'll want to set up your natal chart. Doing so allows TwinFlame to build custom astrology and spiritual content for you, and also unlocks menu items to get to that content. So, go to Settings, then Natal Chart. This is where you can configure your own natal chart. You'll choose from a variety of house systems, as well as your date and place of birth. If you're new to astrology, we recommend the default house system. You can always change it later. It'll take some time to get everything ready, no more than an hour, so relax and come back to the app later, or take this time to explore select parts of the app while you wait. For example, it's a good idea to customize your avatar while you wait. The TwinFlame logo here is nice, but this is all about being your best you. There are plenty of options for you here. Change your hairstyle, face, and clothing, tattoos, piercings, and even your background. Let's give them a bit of color. If you're savvy enough, there are even secret designs. We'll leave them for you to discover. Or hit us up on social media. We'll be happy to hear you out. And just like that, you're ready to explore everything in TwinFlame. It's bigger than it looks, so make sure to double check that your push notifications are on so you don't miss any daily affirmations, planetary updates, tarot card updates, birthday wishes, and a few other surprises.